Welcome back to Trading Hour. Well, one particular set of stocks that are in focus, this is on the back of multiple news reports that indicate that Tata Sons may be looking to go ahead and list itself, this on the back of pressure from one of its partners, which is the Shapoorji Pallonji Group. This is still a developing story and there are no confirmations yet. But on the back of that particular reports that have come about, two stocks especially are in focus. The first one is Tata Chemical that you can see on your screen. The stock is up almost 1.3%. And the other stock, which is now trading near the day's highest point, is Tata Motors. And that stock too is in focus. The expectation is that these stocks which hold stake in Tata Sons could see some value unlocking come about. But we'll now move on and shift focus to the commodity space. Manisha joins in, and today we are focusing on soft commodities.
Well, yes, we are. 2024 was a stronger year for many of these soft commodities where we saw multi-year highs in sugar, all-time highs in cocoa and coffee. And that in some sense seems to be spilling over into 2025 as well, especially when it comes to the coffee prices. Arabica prices are now past $3.35 a pound. And this is a record closing that we saw into the markets yesterday. Well, the supply concerns in top producers has been a problematic thing. Brazil is the top producer and we are looking at adverse weather there. Actually, the latest numbers that have been coming out of Brazil suggest that for 2024, the crop is down by 1.6% to almost 54.2 million bags. This in turn would continue to be supportive for prices going forward from here. But within softs, coffee is not just the only thing. Oilseed prices have been rising as well, and soybean futures overnight surged to a 6-month highs. Crop concerns in South America, a decline in dollar index, and of course, absence of any immediate tariffs led to prices gaining back yet again. So that is exactly what we are seeing. Actually, when you look at 2025, some of these soft commodities actually seem to be doing quite well. Coffee, for one, is up 3% in this year already. Soybean price is almost 7% of gains. So is the case with rice as well. Rapeseed price is up 4%, and corn also has gained up by 6%. So as you can see, inflation for many of these food commodities just about continues.
Okay, thank you very much for that. We will slip into a very short break on that note. On the other side, we'll talk technicals. We'll invite Vishal Malkan on the show.
About India, we have them growing strong next year, consistent with what they grew this year. It's now moved to the 5th largest economy.
The Honeywell view on India, and how do you see the next few years?
Domestic business doing extremely well. Can't be more pleased in terms of opportunities in India.
It is, and there are lots of reasons for that. One is because he's in a much stronger position in the United States than he was in 2017.
They're working on AI. They're working on all the innovative capabilities that we want to input into our products. A lot of that's coming out from India.
If I were to say even heart and mind put together, India is an exciting story.
India is going to be the office of the world. You and I discussed about it.